What if I told you the moment your dream breaks, the moment your heart breaks, or the moment people walk away from you, that is not your downfall, that is your upgrade. Life doesn't break strong people randomly. Every challenge, every failure, every loss you experience is not here to destroy you. It is here to build a version of you cannot become without pressure. And if you are going through something painful right now, this message is for you. Section 1. You are not weak. When life hits you hard, you start thinking, why is this happening to me? But let me tell you something important. It's happening because you are capable of handling it. Life never gives you something you cannot carry. The problem is not your situation. The problem is how you are seeing yourself. You are not weak. You are just in training. Section 2. Shift your perspective. We often assume pain means punishment, but in reality, pain is preparation. If you weren't strong enough, you wouldn't be in this situation. Every struggle is building mental strength inside you, even if you cannot see it right now. Section 3. Loss is redirection. Sometimes life removes things from you, not to hurt you, but to redirect you. What feels like rejection today might be protection tomorrow. And what feels like failure today might be preparation for something bigger. Most people understand this too late, but life always makes sense in hindsight. Section 4. Hard times don't last. Bad times are real. People change, support disappears, expectations break. But remember this, nothing in life is permanent. Just like night always turns into day, your situation will also change. The only thing required from you right now is simple: patience. Section 5. The power of patience. People who succeed are not always the fastest. They're the ones who don't quit. Every successful person you admire once stood exactly where you are standing now, confused, broken, doubting everything. But they stayed in the process, and that made the difference. Section 6. Failure is not the end. Failure does not mean your life is over. Failure means this path is not the right one yet. Every failure carries a message, and if you listen carefully, it is teaching you how to move forward correctly. Section 7. Stop expecting too much from people. One painful truth about life is this: people don't always stay when things get hard. So instead of depending too much on others, build strength within yourself. Less expectations equals less disappointment. More self-growth equals more peace. Section 8. Your mindset decides everything. You always have two choices. You can either break under pressure, or you can rebuild yourself from it. You can either stay in regret or rise with discipline. The power has always been in your hands. If you are going through a hard time right now, don't see it as the end. See it as a reset. Because sometimes life doesn't end chapters, it rewrites them. And your next chapter might be your best one yet. Stay strong, stay focused, and don't give up now.